FanDuel app not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, let's go ahead and check if our application is updated or not. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar type in FanDuel. If you see update, you have to tap onto update. In case you just see open, that means your application is updated. So let's go ahead and leave that as it is and head over to our settings. Scroll below and tap onto the option of Apps. Here you will see all the application that you have in your device. Search for the application named FanDuel. Tap onto it and go below onto Storage. Here clear the data. Before that, make sure that you know all your credentials, then tap on Delete. Once done, check if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then long tap onto your app, tap on Uninstall, and tap on OK. Reinstall it again from your Play Store or your App Store, and that shall definitely fix the problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated and subscribe to our channel.